And it is freezing cold here in our place. Hello everyone, good morning guys. Today is Tuesday, 22nd November 2022 guys, and it is freezing cold here in our place. And now because it is very cold for me, this morning it was 6 degrees guys, 6 degrees Celsius, and I don't know now what the temperature is right now. But because it is very cold, what we love to do, or what we love to eat guys, is of course we love something warm food or comforting food. What I am doing right now is I am preparing our lunch guys, which is buto ng baka. If you are Filipino, Haitian, and you know this kind of food guys, buto-buto ng baka, beef. Okay guys, I will cook it guys in my pressure cooker, yung ano guys, in beef bones, and gawin natin yan na beef soup guys. But the thing is, I forgot to buy corn guys, kasi kanina very cold, so wala akong ano guys maisip na bilhin or kailangan, kasi ang menu ko today guys is spring rolls. Pero pagdating ko dito sa bahay, na as in nga napakalamig, na nilalamig ako, I mean. So, napag-isipan ko na, okay, I will change my menu for today. I will cook beef soup instead. So, before I go and pick up the girls later for lunch, I will go earlier, a bit early guys, para I will go straight to the supermarket and buy the corn that I need, and I hope I can also buy some pechay or pak choy guys, because I cooked the other day my pechay or pak choy. Will show you. Yan guys, these are my my vegetables here. Kaso nga lang, as you can see na yan nga, nabunutan ko na yan siya guys ng mga gulay. So wala na akong ano guys, gulay na pechay or pak choy, so I hope I can find at the supermarket. But for the meantime, I will show you guys. Ang lulutuin natin is beef soup, 1 kilo na beef bones. So ayan, frozen pa siya guys, kasi nga as I've told you na ang lutuin ko sana is yung spring rolls. Kaya yan guys, as in frozen pa siya, kaya i-pressure cooker natin para mas madali. As in guys, na ano siya, na malaman itong bones na ito. I slice 1 medium onion na guys, and now we will add our water. One small. Hello guys, so after an hour boiling, as in kumukulo pa rin siya guys, I just turn it off, and look, as in guys, na napaka soft niya na. Can you see? Itong mga ito guys, oh, ano pang soup talaga siya guys dito sa Espanya, at inihalo sa buto ng baboy, ganun, kasi nga malamig. And 1 kilo is only 5 euros something. Kaya bumili ako ng 1 kilo. So, ayan, ang sarap. Tapos, malaman siya, guys. As you can see, na as in na malaman talaga siya. Ayan, can you see that? And, ito yung, wait asaan na yun? Ayan. As in na, laman talaga yan siya, guys. So, kung alam ko lang na ganun, na yun nga guys, I'm going to buy more and put in the freezer. Yes guys, so malapit na akong aalis at sunduin ang mga bata, but I'm going to have my second breakfast. Yesterday afternoon, I bake cinnamon roll guys, and it was my first time to try to bake cinnamon rolls, and it came out really well guys. It's not that so perfect, but yes, I'm going to maybe adjust a little bit more or something. Maybe I have to add more butter para as in na ano siya guys, softer. Kasi yung ginamit ko kasi na recipe is for buns guys. Hawaiian rolls kasi guys yung ginamit ko na recipe. I didn't change and I didn't follow the recipe that I've watched on YouTube. So next time I'm going to do I'm going to use the exact recipe of what people used in making cinnamon rolls. So yeah, kasi nga it was my first time guys, so it's not that so perfect, but almost guys, almost. Kasi yung cinnamon rolls kasi guys, di ba, as in na pag iganon mo, as in a very soft and fluffy. Soft naman siya guys, but kulang siya konti ng pagka-fluffy ng bread guys, but the taste is really good. I will show you. Okay guys, so ito na lang yung natira kasi ginawa naming dessert last night. I made 16 in total, and then gumawa din ako ng icing ng powdered sugar in Philadelphia, and then a little bit of milk. So yan, as in guys, ang sarap niya. It is really good. Tapos isa pa kasi guys, malamig dito sa amin, kaya ganun parang ano guys. Yeah, nung ginawa ko kasi yung bread, yung dough niya guys, as in na parang ano, kulang siya ng pagka ferment kasi nga malamig na dito, kaya hindi siya gaanong naging ano guys, fluffy yung dough, kaya siguro yun. And now I'm going to take two. Yes, let's heat it guys para mas masarap. Yes, and my coffee. Okay guys, so ito na. I warm it up for less than 1 minute, and let's see, and I will show it to you guys. As in, it is so good. Can you see? Oh, ganyan siya guys. Ganyan din sa likod niya. I'm not sure if you can see that. I don't have very good lighting here. So, ayan. So, ganyan guys ang loob niya. Kasi nga, homemade siya. So, you can add as much as you can talaga guys. It's so good. So yummy. So yum. Ganito yung sa likod niya guys. Ayan. Yummy guys. Ang sarap niya talaga guys. How I wish you could try this. Kain tayo guys. Okay guys, hello guys, I am home. My husband went to pick up the kids and I am at home already. I went to the supermarket guys, maybe just for half an hour only, because 5 minutes to go and 5 minutes to come back. And yeah, because I only bought the things that I need. I put the corns already guys into our soup, and I will show you guys the remaining things that I bought. So guys, I bought 4 pieces of corn. Dalawa lang ito guys. So I cut into half each one. So ayan na. And also guys, yeah, as I've told you, I bought 4 pieces. So ito yung dalawa na natira. 2 euros guys, this one. 1.99 each pack. So ganyan kamahal guys ang corn. So I bought also this one guys for salads and or snack, and this one also cocktail. Yes, and this one is raw, crudo. And I bought cherry tomatoes, and I also bought these button mushrooms, and this one is Lakota's favorite. Actually this one guys is for my Caesar salad, but because Lakota loves it, so I let her eat. And then kung may matira, if she has rest, then I will add into my salad. Lakota doesn't like this one guys. This one is the original flavor, but this one is her favorite. Yes guys, cheese. So ayan, I told her you can eat mine, you can eat this. I told her, but she said no, I don't like, I like the cheese one. Okay, and I also have ito naman. I went shopping downstairs guys, in our garage, in our fridge downstairs. So I remember that I have one big head of cabbage that was left guys. Yes, when I made kimchi, I let one because I love soups. So hindi ko siya niluto, and now lulutuin ko siya. Isahog ko guys. I will mix this with our our soup, with our beef soup, with our bulalo, and this one. Oh, diba? And this one also guys. So this lettuce, I bought these 2 hearts of romaine lettuce guys for our salad. I still have 2 small baby romaine guys. Ganun lang kasi guys yung romaine, ganun. So dalawang ganun is my husband and I shared. Yeah, so para may extra kami, I bought this. So yun lang guys. These are the only things that I bought for the meantime. Yes, now I'm going to prepare this and add into our beef soup, which is now boiling. Wala pa siyang lasa. I didn't put even salt or whatsoever. Para maluto muna yung ating corn. Kasi parang nag-start na siyang mag-yellow. The other side. To the other side. And also guys, I passed by inside of the supermarket. They have butcher in there, and I pass there because I want to check if they still have beef bones like that, or else I can order something, but I didn't see any, and I didn't even ask also. Maybe tomorrow. So I'm going to the supermarket again this week because I'm going to buy our supply for the next week guys. So ayun. Hello guys, the girls are here. So I'm taking out Lakota's breakfast box. She also has her water. She almost finished. Yes, so luto na rin guys. Our beef soup is also cooked. So ayan. Ayan guys, very simple lang siya guys. So ayan, lutong-luto na ang ating corn. Tapos luto na rin ang ating cabbage na Chinese cabbage. Yan. Of course, our meat, our beef, lutong-luto na sila kanina, na pressure cook sila kanina. Okay guys, so I will prepare our food and then kain na kami. Sige guys, so let's eat everyone. Let's eat. Okay guys, so ito na ang ating ulam guys. So good. As in guys, ang sarap. Hello everyone. So it's evening already guys, almost 6 guys in the evening, and look outside. Yes, so it's dark, guys. In autumn and winter, ganun guys ang aming light, as in you can really see na it's winter, it's dark and cold. And I finished, I had 1 hour class, guys, and then my children arrived with my husband. My husband went to pick them up this afternoon, and now my husband and Haley, they went out for a walk with Everest, and now I'm going to give water, guys, to our dear chickens, dear hens. Yeah, yes guys, so I'm going to give them water because they drink a lot, and yeah, I have to give them water, guys, para sure na may tubig sila to drink. Ang lamig pa naman, guys, as in na I am wearing this thick jacket with this with this one, guys. Kasi mahangin na malamig. I will use this one, guys. Okay, I will show you my experiment. I am making vinegar, guys. I am fermenting this vinegar, and this vinegar is fruit vinegar. This is an apple with mother, guys. I put the mother in there. Can you see? This one is 5 liters. And I think I put 6 or 8 pieces of green apples. And this one is pineapple. Yes, I made the same day, guys. That's why they have the same date, 14th November 2022. And in 2 to 3 weeks we are going to remove the fruits, guys. We are going to take the liquid only, and then we can keep it in, and then we can use it. But I think you can use it right away after 3 to 4 weeks, guys. Yeah, but it depends how you like it. Yeah. So, ayan, guys. As in ang bango niya, guys. And this one, yeah, I stir it every day. So, naiiba na yung kulay nito, guys. Ito din, iba na rin siya. Iba na rin ang kulay niya. This one is more, ano siya, guys, yellow. This one is lighter. As you can tell the difference between the two, right? Yeah, and you can really smell the vinegary smell of these vinegars. I am really excited, guys, and I am looking for this big container, but I cannot find at the stores, maybe because the seasons here in Spain of canning is over. What I see, most of the things that they have at the store is about Christmas. Yeah, luckily I could find this. Actually, this was the last piece, guys, that they have, and these ones they still have, but I like bigger one like this one, guys. That's why I didn't buy more of this. I think I'm going to go to the other store and see. I mean, to the city. Okay, guys, so ayan. And this one also, this is my tea organizer, which is, I love it so much. Yes,